Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today we are here to discuss about how we can change our language preference in our Google Chrome website. So this will help you to load everything in your preferred language. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, you need to go and click on the Google Chrome app, which will lead you to this interface. Now all you need to do is click on the three dots on the top right hand side of the interface. As you click settings, you need to scroll down through it and click on the languages. Now you can add any of your preferred languages amongst all these, or either to change your Chrome's language settings, you need to click on the Chrome's language option. After you click on it, you will get several languages from which you can choose your preferred language. So here amongst all these, I have chosen Nepali as my preferred language. So as we go back, we need to restart the Chrome, and when it reloads, it will change everything into Nepali language. So now this is how you can change your language on Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. We will be back again with these videos. Thank you for watching.